Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for all things tech. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's transforming the financial world, decentralized finance, or DeFi. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what DeFi is, how it works, and which crypto mobile wallets are the best to unlock its potential. So, what exactly is DeFi? Decentralized finance, or DeFi, refers to a new financial system built on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional finance, which relies on banks and centralized institutions, DeFi operates on decentralized networks, allowing you to access financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading directly from your device. No middlemen required. DeFi is all about transparency, accessibility, and control. Smart contracts, self-executing programs on the blockchain, power these applications, ensuring trust and reliability. DeFi applications, or dApps, offer several benefits. They're accessible to anyone with an internet connection, provide lower fees compared to traditional banks, and are censorship-resistant. And guess what? Mobile wallets are the key to making all of this happen on the go. Essential features of a DeFi mobile wallet. Now that we know what DeFi is, let's talk about mobile wallets, the gateway to the DeFi ecosystem. Here are the essential features you should look for when choosing a DeFi mobile wallet. First up, security and privacy. Your wallet should offer robust security features like multi-signature support, biometric authentication, and integration with hardware wallets for extra protection. Remember, in DeFi, you're your own bank, so safeguarding your assets is crucial. Next is usability. A good DeFi wallet should have an intuitive interface, making it easy for beginners and experts alike to navigate and access their funds. Features like seamless integration with DeFi apps and clear transaction summaries can make all the difference. And finally, functionality. The best wallets support multiple blockchain networks, offer dApp integration, and allow you to manage a variety of tokens effortlessly. This versatility is what makes DeFi wallets so powerful. All right, let's talk about some of the top mobile wallets for DeFi and what makes each of them stand out. First on the list is MetaMask. It's one of the most popular wallets out there, known for its cross-chain compatibility and built-in dApp browser. Whether you're trading NFTs or staking tokens, MetaMask has got you covered. Next up is Trust Wallet. This wallet is decentralized, supports multiple blockchains, and integrates seamlessly with the Binance ecosystem. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a versatile DeFi wallet. And then we have Coinbase Wallet. Designed for ease of use, it offers strong security measures and integrates with the Coinbase exchange, making it perfect for beginners entering the DeFi space. Another excellent choice is Binance Wallet. It's tailored for those in the Binance ecosystem, offering multi-chain support and a smooth connection to Binance dApps, making it ideal for both trading and staking. Finally, let's talk about Exodus Wallet. Known for its sleek and user-friendly design, Exodus supports multiple blockchains and offers built-in exchange features. It's perfect for those who value simplicity and functionality. Choosing the right wallet. Choosing the right wallet can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Start by considering your individual needs. Are you planning to trade tokens, use DeFi apps, or simply store assets securely? Do your research. Compare wallets based on security, usability, and functionality. Read user reviews and prioritize wallets with a strong reputation. Remember, it's better to spend a little extra time choosing a wallet than to risk your assets. And most importantly, always prioritize security. Stick to well-established wallets with a track record of reliability. Now that you've chosen your wallet, let's talk about staying safe and secure in the DeFi world. First, use a strong and unique password for your wallet. Enable two-factor authentication if available, and never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Be wary of common scams, like phishing attacks or fake wallet apps. Always double-check URLs and download wallets only from official sources. Finally, stay informed. The DeFi space evolves quickly, so keep up with the latest security practices and threats. Join online communities, follow trusted sources, and never stop learning. And that's a wrap. Now you're ready to explore the exciting world of DeFi with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions about DeFi or mobile wallets? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and happy DeFiing.